Hello, everyone. This is Sarah from New Life Homes, your trusted real estate team. Today, I'm here to explain the difference between a condo apartment, a townhome, a semi-detached house, and a detached house. Condo apartment, a unit in a larger high-rise or mid-rise building, where you own your space but share amenities and common areas with other residents. Townhome, a multi-level house that shares one or two walls with neighboring homes but has its own entrance. Semi-detached house, a single-family home that shares one wall with another house, offering more privacy than a townhome. Detached house, a standalone home that doesn't share walls with any other property, giving the most privacy and space. Each type offers different benefits in terms of cost, maintenance, privacy, and lifestyle. At Team New Life Homes, we guide you through this process and ensure you have the right information to make smart real estate decisions. For more tips and steps, check out our profile at newlifehomes.ca and connect with us at 905-506-8800 and 905-506-9900.